Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Patrick once more. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how we are going to lock our USB drive or password protect it. Sometimes you can call it encrypt it. So with the Windows inbuilt tool, and that is the one we call Bitlocker. So before we start, I would like to tell you the importance of locking up your USB drive. To understand that these USB drives are vulnerable to physical theft or any other way, or even just you may drop it by mistake. But unfortunately, when you drop it, everyone is able to access whatever you stored in the USB drive. So to avoid anyone from accessing what you have stored there, you have to lock it. So that's why I'm going to take you through. But the locking tool is only available on Windows Pro and Windows Enterprise. So what you're going to do, you're going to press the Windows button on your keyboard and then R to bring this, and then in the run here or in this you are going to type there WinVer and then you tap OK. So it brings the type of Windows. So currently in this PC that I'm using, or in this laptop I'm using, it is running on Windows 10 Enterprise. So meaning the tool is available in this Windows. So what we are going to do, we are going to insert our USB drive. Yeah. So it's already there. So after inserting it, we first have to go, we have to check it out. Let us check it out, what is there. So you can see it is the one here. This USB drive is not locked and I can open it up and see whatever is there. So to lock it up, in some computers, when you come here and then you left click, when you're on that drive you want to lock, you're going to see here turn on BitLocker somewhere here. So but in this one it is not there. So those ones that have that, you just tap on turn on BitLocker and we'll take you to where we are going to go next when also come via the other side. So I am going to navigate to my search here. So I'm going to type there control panel. So the control panel is like this. So in this control panel is where we are going to look for what we call BitLocker. It is here, but sometimes in your PCs you're going to get already when they're in categories like this. So when it's categorized, you have to tap this category icon down, then you choose large icons for you to view very well. Then you tap on the BitLocker itself is here. So it is there. So you can see you can encrypt the hard drive of the computer. So but we are interested in the removable or the flash disk I have just inserted. So the other side you get what we call turn on BitLocker. So I'm going to tap on turn on BitLocker. So it's going to turn it on. So it is already here. So here it's going to tell you choose how you want to unlock this drive. So when you input it in your computer, how will you unlock it? So you just check the password. So you're going to enter your password that you'll be using whenever you want to unlock the drive. So I'm going to input mine. Let me retype it. So it is already there, and then I hit next. Continue. So here there is how do you want to back up a recovery key. This recovery key does not contain your password. No one will be able to see, but in case you forget the password, there will be an option to input the recovery key. So we can save it to a file. You tap on save to a file is the simplest. So let me choose my desktop and then you just choose save. So every time for every flash you lock, it is always what you have, it will always be kept somewhere. So I've already kept it there. So you'll also choose the file you wish to save yours. So after that I tap on next. So now here choose how much of your drive to encrypt. Now here encrypt used disk space only. Now this one is faster and best for new PCs and drives, but now we have to choose encrypt entire drive. It is slower, but let us choose it because it is the best. It will encrypt the whole drive. No one can access anything inside it. Now here choose which encryption mode you want to use. So we are going to choose the mode here. So the first one will tell you new encryption mode. This is for the fixed devices. So in case you want to lock the hard drive in your computer, the one you don't remove, you choose the first one. But we are locking the flash one. So it is even saying here best for drives that can be removed from from this device. So it is already checked and it's a one. So I just put on next. So are you ready to encrypt this device? So when you start the encryption, please don't remove the USB hard drive. So when you start, and then it is already doing it in the background. So let me just minimize this, and then you can see it is going to go up to 100%. The encryption is almost completed and it's done. It's at 100%. So now we have to close it out. So when we go back to check on our hard drive whether it has been locked, we shall find that it isn't locked yet. So what you have to do, you have to eject this. Yeah, finally I have removed it. Then now insert it again. This drive is BitLocker protected. So let us just go back here and check whether we can see that it's locked. Yeah, finally it is here, it's locked. So in case you want to use it, just come like that, click on it, and then the BitLocker will ask for the password. So now I have to put the password. Yeah, then I tap on unlock. So it is there, you can now access your information. So it is the same thing. When you remove it, the key will be activated. That is all for today. Thank you so much for being with me. Let us meet in the next tutorial.